that was fucking cool. I don't know if we're gonna see him again real soon. He fucking came on, went down. That was cool.
Yeah, saw the dorsal fin pop up. Let me know if you see him.
What?
I said, let me know if you see him. Just running video so I could, these guys are cool. Hey guys. Look at him fucking look at those guys just like skimming the surface. We might have been past them by now,
yeah,
huh?
we're definitely past that. One right up there.
Oh! Dolphin there. Cool. Trying to find some dolphins here. Oh, there's one. You see him?
Yeah.
Hey buddy, come on back up. Say hello. Whoa, there he is. There he is. Hey, he's a good looking guy. Or lady, I don't know which, I can't really tell from here. Where'd he go? Come on back up, little buddy.
And what do we do for this guy? We go on the left side, right?
Aren't there certain rules or something? Chad thinks we should play chicken with this big boat here. I don't know, man. I think we might lose. Hello, people. Say hello, Chad.
Hello, people.
We can share the women, we can share the wine. We can share what we got you, but we done share all of mine. Keep on rolling, just a mile to go. Keep on rolling, my old body, you're moving much too slow.